हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू एफपीएल गपशप। मेरा नाम है रक्षित एंड वी आर बैक आफ्टर ऑलमोस्ट 3 वीक्स। व्हाट इज लॉन्गर वन, द इंटरनेशनल ब्रेक इस बार और द ईरान वॉर? व्हाट डू यू थिंक हैज बीन लॉन्गर?
Easiest answer,
मेरे को लग
international
रहा है
break.
कि ईरान वॉर जल्दी खत्म हो सकती है एज कम्पेयर टू जो
Yeah.
हमारा 3 वीक्स का एफपीएल ब्रेक है।
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एक तो इतना वियर्ड इसलिए क्योंकि हमें आदत भी नहीं है इस टाइम पे इतने बड़े ब्रेक की. एंड कुछ फुटबॉल नहीं था. ऑब्वियसली एफए कप मैचेस हुए, हम बात करेंगे. फाइनली वी हैव डबल्स एंड ब्लैंक्स अपकमिंग. चिप स्ट्रेटजी क्या होगी हमारी. बट या इट वाज अ लॉन्ग लॉन्ग इंटरनेशनल ब्रेक.
जैसे भाटिया साहब की टीम यूनाइटेड, मतलब फ्राइडे खेली थी ऑफ द प्रीवियस गेम वीक, फिर उसके 3 हफ्ते बाद आई थिंक मंडे नाइट मैच है उनका अभी।
मंडे नाइट, यस.
बताओ,
लास्ट
मतलब
मैच.
दैट्स लाइक 3 वीक्स, 4 वीक्स। वुल्व्स को तो महीने से ऊपर हो गया खेले हुए।
या
याद ही नहीं है ये टीम्स हैं भी भाई प्रीमियर लीग में। रेलीगेट पहली कर दिया उन्हें के चैंपियनशिप में, याद ही नहीं आ रहा है। हम अभी प्रीवियस रिजल्ट्स की बात कर रहे थे। ब्रेंटफोर्ड एंड एवर्टन एंड पैलेस, याद ही नहीं आ रहा था भाई ये टीम्स हैं, क्या करा इन्होंने, क्या फॉर्म है, कौन अच्छा खेल रहा है, कुछ याद ही नहीं है। चलो बढ़िया, रिफ्रेश करते हैं, थोड़ा रिकैप करते हैं मनन।
या
बहुत सारी चीज़ें टू टॉक अबाउट बिकॉज डबल गेम वीक कंफर्म हो चुका है, जो रिफ्लेक्ट कर रहा है ऑन द मेन थंबनेल एज वेल। और दैट मीन्स कि ब्लैंक गेम वीक भी कंफर्म हो चुका है। अ कपल ऑफ इंटरेस्टिंग रिजल्ट्स एफए कप में, जिसकी वजह से लोगों की चिप स्ट्रैटेजी हो गई ऑल्टर। आई डोंट नो अबाउट यू मनन, बट मैं तो भाटिया साहब को सुनने आया हूँ इस पॉड में, बिकॉज व्हेन इट कम्स टू चिप स्ट्रैटेजी देयर इज नो वन बेटर देन भाटिया साहब।
व्हाट डू यू मीन? आई डोंट नो अबाउट इट. मैं भी इसीलिए आया हूँ भाई. आपने मेरे को व्हाट्सएप पे यही तो लिखा था कि भाटिया साहब आ रहे हैं. मैंने कहा ठीक है, आई मीन.
और मैं
आई एम
ये पॉड पे
सरप्राइज कि
इसीलिए
ये
आया हूँ
वाला
क्योंकि मदन
पॉड
आ रहा है.
आई एम सरप्राइज ये वाला पॉड के लिए भाटिया साहब ने ज्यादा चार्ज नहीं किया एज कम्पेयर
नहीं,
टू हिज यूजुअल
अरे
प्राइस।
सर अभी तक पेमेंट मिला नहीं है, जितना चार्ज था
जिस
उतना भी नहीं मिला.
जिस बंदे से हम थंबनेल बनवाते रक्षित, राइट. मैंने उसको बोला थंबनेल बनाना है. तो अच्छा, मैंने कहा ये फोटो है. बोलता अच्छा चिप वाला है. मैंने कहा हम तुम दोनों का क्यों लगा रहे हो, तेरा और रक्षित का फोटो. एक लेजिट ही उसका रिएक्शन ये था. तो
हाँ,
भाटिया साहब,
भाटिया साहब बीच में क्यों नहीं है इसमें?
उससे हुआ वो थोड़ा अर्जेंसी में उसने ऐसा कैसे लगा जब मैं बोलूंगा
चलो
ज्यादा.
ठीक है।
या भाटिया साहब, वी अपोलोजाइज फॉर दिस.
हम्बल
अपॉलॉजी
अपॉलजीज
सर.
भाटिया साहब, एंड हम्बल अपॉलजीज टू ऑल ऑफ यू एज वेल कि हमने अभी तक बात शुरू नहीं करी है। बट स्टार्ट करने से पहले दोस्तों, मेक श्योर यू हिट द लाइक बटन। आई एम नॉट श्योर आई एम हैप्पी एफपीएल इज बैक, बट इट्स अ फैक्ट ऑफ लाइफ कि एफपीएल इज बैक। आई मी एंड भाटिया साहब विश कि इट वाज अ न्यू सीजन, बट इट्स नॉट. इट इज स्टिल द सेम सीजन व्हिच इज ड्रैगिंग ऑन. थैंकफुली मनन ने लास्ट वीक के स्कोर्स नहीं लगाए हैं, सो दैट मीन्स वी डू नॉट हैव टू टॉक अबाउट द ब्लैंक गेम वीक. बट हम आगे के लिए फोकस कर सकते हैं एंड वी हैव अ लॉट टू टॉक अबाउट. टेलीग्राम चैनल, सॉरी दोस्तों, हमारा फॉलो करना, वहाँ पे बहुत ही इंसेन हमारा चिल अपडेट्स, बैंटर वगैरह सब मिलता है. मनन अपने एफपीएल कार्टेल के लीक्स भी पोस्ट करेगा बिफोर द फर्स्ट गेम ऑफ द वीक, सो वहाँ पे मेक श्योर आप फॉलो करिएगा. Okay, so Manan, I think you should kick things off because double game week 33 is confirmed. These are the 6 teams. So what are your initial thoughts about this game week?
Yeah, just for people who don't know, these are the teams. These 6 teams will double in 33, and in 34, all of these 6 teams will blank as well. So again, you have to make sure you have to prepare for a strategy जहाँ पे you are maximizing 33 plus, because ये सारी teams blank कर रही है, you have enough players for 34. I personally feel कि for most people they require a chip to navigate 33 and 34 साथ में. Obviously a good strategy would be to free hit 34 and use triple in bench boost or wildcard in 33 to maximize it. आप 33 में भी आप free hit कर सकते हैं, and 34 में if you have enough players, we'll talk about it क्योंकि I think हमारे इसमें भी we have me and Rakshit जिनकी sort of trip strategy same है. We'll talk about it, but initial reaction is this. बहुत बहुत अच्छा डबल नहीं है फॉर एनी टीम. इफ यू सी, यूजुअली हम बात करते हैं कि कोई स्टैंड आउट टीम होती है जिसके 2 अच्छे फिक्सचर्स होते हैं. इवन इफ यू सी टीम्स लाइक बर्नली, लीड्स, ब्राइटन, आई डोंट रिमेम्बर पूरे सीजन मोर देन 1 प्लेयर मैंने इन टीम से ओन किया है. बर्नली से दुबराव का पड़ा था, लीड से थोड़े टाइम के लिए रोडॉन पड़ा हुआ था, राइट. इवन बोर्नमूथ सॉर्ट ऑफ लेटली उतनी ऐसी एक टीम नहीं रही है जिससे हमने बहुत सारे एसेट्स ओन करे हैं. Obviously, Senesi Hill, Defcon monsters हैं. अगर आपके पास वो हैं, very, you have been really lucky for the last 6 weeks. But Man City का भी जो एक डबल है उसमें एक आर्सेनल है. That's the league sort of title decider. अगर आर्सेनल जीत जाती है, तो अगेन आई डोंट नो कितना हाई स्कोरिंग होगा या कैसा वो मैच होगा. तो ऑन द फर्स्ट लुक उतना टेम्पटिंग या उतना अच्छा डबल नहीं है. एंड आई कांट इवन थिंक ऑफ, हमने एक वाइल्ड कार्ड 32 का ड्राफ्ट भी बनाया है जो हम आपको दिखाएंगे, बट मेरे को उसमें बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो रही थी टू जस्ट फिट इन प्लेयर्स बिकॉज इतने अच्छे ऑप्शंस नहीं है.
भाटे साहब, योर थॉट्स?
कंप्लीटली एग्री. आई थिंक बहुत ही अंडरवेलमिंग डबल है. 6 टीम्स है. आप देखेंगे अगर अच्छी टीम इनमें से कितनी है, आप मैक्स बोलोगे सिटी अच्छी टीम है.
That's it.
Burnley are bottom of the table pretty much. Chelsea are in a disastrous run of form. Brighton have actually been in a good form, like last 5 या 6 में से 4 या 5 जीती है. But then the fixtures that they have, Tottenham away under a new manager, we don't know how that matches. Basically, it's a hard to call fixture. And even Chelsea at home, I think they might win the Chelsea at home game. But fantasy-wise, आप attacker target करोगे, defender target करोगे, it's hard to pick. Leeds actually have decent fixtures, but fantasy relevant assets, I think दो अभी FA Cup में भी injured हुए हैं. Calvert-Lewin was benched as well, so maybe he doesn't start both games in the double. We don't know. Bournemouth have okay fixtures, I guess, for an attacker, but then आप माउथ वाटरिंग डबल बोलते हैं. आप यू हैव टू गेट 3 players from each team. मतलब वैसा डबल है नहीं, even though that is probably the popular strategy to load up on the doubles, but you don't really have that many good fantasy assets.
एब्सोल्युटली. तो 33 का डबल कंफर्म हो चुका है. 33 अभी आया नहीं है, ऑब्वियसली गेम वीक 32 है. तो 33 में क्या हमारा प्लान है वो हम अपनी टीम्स के जब डिस्कस करेंगे, वी कैन डिस्कस. बट आई ऑल्सो फील द सेम वे. सिटी और बोर्नमथ मेरे हिसाब से आर 2 टीम्स जो मेरे को थोड़ी बहुत पसंद है. जैसे भाटिया साहब ने कहा, ब्राइटन में क्या लोगे आप, लाइक व्हाट एसेट डू यू पिक, इवन दो फिक्चर्स आर नॉट बैड. सेम विद लीड्स, सेम विद बर्नली. दैट इज द होल इशू. सो अगर आप लेट्स से फॉर एग्जांपल कुछ भी स्ट्रैटेजी पे हैं तो आपको थोड़े सब ऑप्टिमल प्लेयर्स अपनी टीम में भरने पड़ेंगे एंड यू जस्ट होप फॉर द बेस्ट. वो वाला सीन है, बिकॉज कुछ ऐसा स्टैंड आउट नहीं है. विच ऑल्सो मीन्स वनन की वी शुड नॉट इग्नोर सिंगल गेम वीक प्लेयर्स इन 33.
बहुत ऑप्शंस उसमें भी नहीं है. ऑब्वियसली विल टॉक अबाउट इट व्हेन विल टॉक अबाउट 32 33. हम वाइल्ड कार्ड देखेंगे, हम बेंच बूस्ट देखेंगे, वो कैसा लग रहा है वाइल्ड कार्ड 32 का. बट बहुत अगेन अंडरवेलमिंग है. आप इवन इफ यू एक्टिवेट फ्री हिट राइट 33 के लिए, अगर इन डबल्स को टैकल करने के लिए आप फ्री हिट करोगे तो आपकी टीम ऑलमोस्ट सेम होगी जो वाइल्ड कार्डर्स की है. बहुत डिफरेंस होगा नहीं, बिकॉज अगेन सेट ऑफ दोस फिक्सचर्स इनसे पिक करना है वो ही बहुत लिमिटेड है, राइट. एंड उतना कुछ खास नहीं है. हेंस अगर ऑब्वियसली यहाँ पे आर्सेनल ऑब्वियसली लॉस्ट टू साउथहैम्पटन, जिसकी वजह से आर्सेनल आर नॉट डबलिंग, राइट. आर्सेनल, वरना आर्सेनल न्यूकासल भी करती तो वहाँ हमें थोड़े से ऑप्शन मिलते हैं ऑब्वियसली. बट उससे काफी 33 के डबल पे फर्क पड़ा है बिकॉज आर्सेनल लॉस्ट टू साउथहैम्पटन. बट या दीज आर द 6 टीम्स एंड sort of meh.
Yeah, even अगर for example Manan, if West Ham had won, तो we would have had West Ham and Everton. मेरे हिसाब से you have more assets. West Ham
Better
से
asset.
you have at
Better
least
assets.
you have Bowen, Somerville potentially. You
Dio.
have Everton से तो बहुत है. Everton से तो you have a lot of assets, right? मतलब Dewsbury Hall to NDI to Tarkovsky to Michael Keane to Pickford, even
yeah.
Gardner. Even Gardner is killing it.
Yeah.
Gardner is killing it, right?
I
Even
think
Beto.
the top 5 scoring midfielders, Gardner.
Yeah,
Insane,
it's
Top 10 for
insane,
sure.
right?
What is,
Yeah.
no, top 5 midfielders for sure.
Top 5?
Wow.
Insane
Wow.
season. Yeah, I
Wow.
think. Yeah.
That's crazy. So वो भी नहीं है, that means कि we are left with these teams. बट चलो बात करेंगे डिटेल में. हम हमारा प्लान क्या है 33 का, क्या हमें यूज करना अपने चिप्स, हम आगे बात करेंगे. बट दिस इज हाउ द होल पिक्चर इज, द ब्रॉडर पिक्चर इज मनन, बिकॉज 33 का जैसे आपने कहा जो डबल्स हैं, द सेम टीम्स आर गॉट अ ब्लैंक. सो विदाउट चिप्स थोड़ा सा ट्रिकी है नेविगेट करना. बहुत ट्रिकी नहीं है जितना मैं लग रहा था, थोड़ा सा ट्रिकी है. विथ चिप्स इट्स वेरी इजी in terms of let's say navigating it. It is just that कि जो भी आप chip use करो, you have to nail that chip. But currently मैं आपसे बस ये पूछना चाहूँगा looking at this कि when are you wildcarding? Like आपके initial wildcard thoughts क्या थे और आपके current wildcard thoughts?
Before that, just to help थोड़े से viewers, you can see 36 में भी मैन सिटी और पैलेस के इसमें एक और फिक्चर ऐड हुआ है, बिकॉज जो सिटी वर्सेस पैलेस का 31 वाला फिक्चर था, that is still to be rescheduled. And 95% there'll be another double. It's most likely gonna be in 36. बहुत ज्यादा 95% आई वुड से चांस है कि मैन सिटी वर्सेस पैलेस विल गो इन 36 एंड दैट इज द ओनली डबल दैट वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग अभी तक. ऑब्वियसली और भी चीजें हो सकती, कुछ भी हो सकता है सीजन में आगे और, बट एज ऑफ नाउ दीज आर द 33 का डबल एंड 36 में एक फिक्सचर का डबल, मतलब सिटी एंड पैलेस का डबल एक्सपेक्टेड है. सो when if you have, let's say, all your chips left, then obviously a triple captaincy in a 36 for Haaland against Brentford at home and Palace at home can be also tempting. आप bench boost भी कर सकते हो, obviously वो single game week bench boost होगा 36 में, but just for viewers कि एक और डबल हमारा होने के ज्यादा चांसेस हैं in 36. Coming back to your question, Rakshit, ki wild card, when am I planning? So again, obviously very team dependent question है. For my team, I already have 12 players who are gonna have a fixture in 34, जिनका 34 में fixture होने वाला है. So मेरे लिए to navigate 34 it's lot easier, right? Which means obviously अगर मेरे पास 12 players है जिनका 34 में fixture, तो मेरे पास 33 में बहुत सारे double है नहीं. So, and I have a wild card, bench boost, and a free hit left. So, what I am planning to do is free hit in 33, right? And wild card in 35 and bench boost in 36. That is what my initial, बहुत easy है मेरे लिए, because I also have 2 free transfers, so I can attack 32 and like, you know, I can roll one. I need to use a transfer in 34. So मेरे लिए basically easy है with transfers and with the players I have right now to navigate 34. What you guys also need to do is check कि आपकी 32 में टीम कैसी है, आपकी 34 में how many players you have. अगर आपके पास बहुत सारे players नहीं है तो definitely you need to free hit or use a chip, maybe wild card or a free hit in 34 as well. But अगर आपके पास enough players हैं to navigate 34, then you can think about 33 में आपको wild card करना है, free hit करना है. Obviously अगर आपको bench boost करना है, then you sort of are forced into 32 वाइल्ड कार्ड, क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली आप 33 में वाइल्ड कार्ड और बेंच बूस्ट एक साथ तो नहीं कर सकते हो. सो सॉर्ट ऑफ टू मैक्सिमाइज योर बेंच बूस्ट इन 33 विद 14 डबलर्स लेट्स से या 15 डबलर्स, आपको 32 में वाइल्ड कार्ड करना पड़ेगा, व्हिच इज गोना बी द मोस्ट पॉपुलर स्ट्रेटजी. 32 वाइल्ड कार्ड, 33 बेंच बूस्ट एंड 34 फ्री हिट. बट फॉर मी आई हैव अ बेंच बूस्ट, बट आई एम प्लानिंग टू यूज इन 36 क्योंकि मुझे 33 में एसेट्स उतने अच्छे नहीं लग रहे हैं फॉर अ बेंच बूस्ट. प्लस I have enough players, as I said, in 34 and I have a good team in 32. तो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है I just need to navigate 33, which I'm gonna do with a free hit.
भाटे साहब 2 सवाल हैं. पहला is very simple one कि do you think there is anything that can stop Manan from winning FPL?
No.
ठीक है. सेकंड सवाल ये है कि आपकी स्ट्रेटजी क्या है looking at the fixtures?
मैं कंट्रोल भी बहुत अच्छे से आता है मुझे, तो I'm thinking कि मनन की स्ट्रेटजी फॉलो कर लूं ब्लाइंडली. वो 50k पे मैं शायद 500k तो फिनिश कर ही जाऊंगा. That is the aim, but I agree with the free hit 33 part. For most people it does make sense अगर आप bench boost नहीं करना चाहते हो तो. My question to Manan is, what is the advantage of wild carding in 35? क्या मिल रहा है आपको गेन? मानता हूँ 4 हफ्ते का वाइल्ड कार्ड है, एक तो शॉर्टर ड्यूरेशन है compared to 32. But what are you gaining in game week 35?
Information क्योंकि
What information? उस टाइम 34 वीक्स पे क्या इंफॉर्मेशन आपको नहीं.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सी यू आर गेटिंग इंफॉर्मेशन विद रिस्पेक्ट टू 32, 33, 34 में टीम्स कैसा कर रही है, राइट? यू विल गेट इंफॉर्मेशन 35 तक व्हाट आर द टीम्स हु हैव समथिंग टू प्ले फॉर. लेट्स से आर्सेनल, जब हम बात कर रहे हैं ऑब्वियसली आर्सेनल सिटी की, आर्सेनल सिटी में आर्सेनल जीत गई लेट्स से फॉर एग्जांपल 33 में, राइट? We don't even know how seriously they are going to take the league. Let's say they win against Sporting as well in UCL, then they'll have Barca obviously. So I can see Arsenal then try or Atletico. Sorry. Yeah.
Manan is always a neutral. Yeah.
मतलब ये सब चीजें
always optimistic fan.
वैसे बाहर होती है.
अच्छा, मैं बार्सिलोना का नाम ले लेता हूँ तो बाहर हो जाती. ओके, एनीवे कमिंग बैक टू इट. सो ऑब्वियसली बहुत सारी टीम्स होगी जिनके पास देयर विल बी समथिंग टू प्ले फॉर, जिनके पास देयर वोंट बी समथिंग टू प्ले फॉर. 35 में आपको बेटर लिस्ट ऑफ प्लेयर्स बता पड़ेंगे. ऑब्वियसली ऑल्सो अगर इफ यू आर वाइल्ड कार्डिंग इन 32 और 33 यू वोंट हैव क्रिस्टल पैलेस प्लेयर्स, लेकिन 36 में देयर इज अ डबल. सो आपको 32, 33 वाइल्ड कार्ड में and especially अगर आप bench boost कर रहे हो, you won't have any single Crystal Palace player. You'll need transfers in 35 to get at least 2 or 3 Crystal Palace players 36 के लिए, which I can easily do on a 35 wild card. I know बहुत सारे player pools similar हैं with respect to 33, 32 wild card and 35 wild card, but the two teams that are different are Arsenal, especially if league last match तक जाती है, and Newcastle and Palace. ये 3 teams हैं जिनका sort of fixtures are good at the end of the season, 35, 36, 37, 38, plus Palace का double है, and Arsenal obviously उनका defense, you won't believe, मैं clean sheet projections देख रहा था भाटिया साहब for now till rest of the season. Arsenal are still top despite having 2 fixtures less than City. So because bookies are still rating, क्योंकि उन्हें लीग जीतनी है, they'll be defense first and everything. 40% उनके clean sheet odds in every fixture except Arsenal, except City. So if you look at it, तो Arsenal, Palace especially are the two teams जिनको आपको 35 में advantage मिलेगा with respect to 33 plus Palace players. Yeah.
भाटिया साहब, अगर मैं
Fair
flip side
enough.
आपसे पूछूं कि
हाँ.
what advantage do you see in wildcard 32 as compared to 35?
35.
So I don't agree, or I don't like the wildcard 30 through bench boost 33 strategy, because you're picking players just for the bench boost, and most of the players हमने discuss किए, they are from poor teams, or in fact the whole league is poor. आप 19 team बोल सकते हो poor है, but you are actually picking players just for the bench boost. What I am exploring at the moment,
Except एक team, हाँ मैं
Except
Man City.
oh, मुझे लगा Man
I
United
thought the
बोलोगे.
other Manchester, yeah.
I'm not Manan. हर चीज में बार्सिलोना जीतती है ना, उसके लिए
चल प्रीमियर लीग जीत रही, क्या बात कर रहे हो? हाँ, anyway.
बार्सा इस साल प्रीमियर लीग भी जीत रही, क्या बात है. So what I feel is social media पे भी काफी देखा है, everyone is doing free hit 33, wildcard 35, bench boost 36. In a way it makes sense, but जो advantage बता रहे हैं ना कि wildcard 35 का you get information, like मुझे उतना convincing नहीं लग रहा है वो, and I personally don't agree with it at the moment. कर सकता हूँ मैं भी वही, but मुझे लग रहा है कि you can actually wildcard 32 if your team needs it. Like if I talk about my team, it's in a really bad state. We'll come to that later. I have no bench, and I have like 4 players, attackers playing against defenders, and they've not been getting points. So people who are top 10k, top 100k, the elites of this FPL world, like Manan, वो कर सकते हैं strategy where you're protecting your position, you're playing along where Arsenal attackers triple Arsenal आएंगे 35 में. But then if you want to chase, if you want to cover up ground, you can't keep it for the last 4 weeks and pick the same team as everyone else, right? आप तभी 35 में आप Palace players लाओगे, आप Gordon लाओगे, आप Gabriel Raya तभी लाओगे क्योंकि सब ला रहे हैं. That doesn't mean that's the right strategy. आप अभी attack कर सकते हो, maybe pick a couple of teams who actually have good fixtures and take a punt, because it is a punt. Even in 35 आप wild card करोगे, it is going to be a punt. There is no guarantee कि आपका
obviously.
Crystal Palace that you get in at that point. Firstly, whether we need triple Palace or not, we don't know. And the ones that we get in, if they're still in Europe, not in Europe, what kind of lineup he puts out, हमें वो नहीं पता. So it's all, I mean, it's like आप hope कर रहे हो कि 35 में 3 गेमिंग में इतना information आपको मिल जाएगा, and you will be able to pick like proper set of 11 players, and last 4 weeks should be like 70, 80 points each. I don't see that happening, but I've been wrong a lot this season, so maybe one more time.
No, but just sorry, Rakshit, before you add, just one more thing why I don't like 32 wildcard specialists. If you see, देखो 32 and 33 के fixtures on your screen साथ में, the team that you're gonna build for 33 bench boost or let's say wildcard, 32 में उन सबके fixtures except Burnley, except Brighton are terrible. So your triple
I
City
agree
will
with you.
play against your triple Arsenal, triple
But
Chelsea.
Manan, you can wildcard 32 and free hit in 33 also.
Exactly. I'm saying
आप-
wildcard 32 का
Yeah,
bench
no,
boost करना
I
जरूरी
just
नहीं है.
said if you need
You
to
don't have
bench
to
boost.
use 33 में
Yeah,
bench
yeah.
boost. Bench boost 33 का अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, but you can
Exactly,
wildcard right
that's
now
what I-
and free hit in 33, forget 33, और उसके बाद आप 34, 35 आप उस हिसाब से भी टीम सेट कर सकते हो.
That is what I like.
Yes, that is a strategy.
No, but if you wildcard 32, and if you want
Free
to,
hit 33 bench boost
but
winner.
then the issue is obviously 32 में how many City will you have? Because obviously
I'll have triple
3,
City.
and you'll bench all of them in 34.
Yeah.
Because they're on a blank.
Yeah.
Okay,
You can
and
also
the
keep
rest of
2
the
City,
team,
by the way,
yeah.
right? Because you
Yeah,
can keep
that's
2
what.
City
That's why.
Chelsea away.
Yeah.
33 में you're free hitting. 34, मतलब you save transfers, right?
Yeah,
35 में you use
that's
a
an
transfer to
alternate
get the third
strategy.
one.
Yeah.
And Palace
They
की
are.
बात कर रहे हैं. If Palace get
Yeah,
through in the Conference League semi-final, they will not give a fuck about the
they'll
league anyways.
prioritize. Yeah,
Not even
Conference
get
League.
one Palace player then.
Yeah,
So वैसे भी फायदा नहीं है उस टाइप के प्लेयर्स का. And with
I
what's
agree.
gonna happen with the league and all, no one knows. तो आपको थोड़ा रिस्क लेना पड़ेगा with your strategy.
It's a
अगर
team
आपको जाना है
dependent
उसके
thing,
अगेंस्ट, बट
obviously.
इट
Yeah,
इज,
अगर आपको कितना
अगर
risk.
आपकी टीम हैप्पी नहीं, आप कर सकते हो वाइल्ड कार्ड, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं.
100%.
And if
मैं अभी
you're
भी
chasing, right? If you're
Yeah.
chasing, you have to bet against the template, and you don't really have too many weeks to cover up. Up 35 May, you'll wildcard into the same team as everyone else. You might get some green arrows, but then
But
it's
if you're
about
talking
आप कितना
about
risk ले रहे हो.
going against template, I think popular strategy 32 wildcard, 33 bench boost होगी.
I'm
चलो
not
बात
bench
करते हैं
boosting.
एक बार. It's a good
No,
time to
I'm
talk
not
about
saying
the
you
32
about you.
wild
I'm
card.
just saying template.
जितना मैंने देखा है ना, I think what most people are doing is they're free hitting 33 and wildcarding 35, which is a fairly sound strategy. There's nothing wrong with it, but I'm not sure there is any one strategy which fits everyone. So team
Obviously,
dependent
नहीं. Again, everything is team dependent. Everything is अगर आपको attack ज़्यादा करना है, आपको defend, मतलब if you
Yeah.
want to be defensive, if you're a lot of factors depend on आपको कैसे navigate करना है with these chips. बहुत सारी strategies है. Another strategy that I've seen is wildcard 34. People
Yeah.
can do that, obviously. जैसा आपने बात करी, right? Wildcard 34 is a wildcard 33 is a very good strategy. Wildcard 33, free 34, and bench boost later. So obviously there's a, and wildcard 35 actually is sorry, bench boost 35 is also good. अगर आप देखेंगे, अगर if you time wildcard 33, free hit 34 and bench boost 35, that is really good, which is what I am considering alternate strategy
Okay.
to wildcard 35. तो बहुत सारी strategy, obviously you need to go, and again as I said, you need to go and see how your team is looking in 32, in 34, and then basically उसके ऊपर करेंगे. Rakshit, go on. Sorry.
Play it your own way, guys. Simple.
Yeah, exactly.
This is a popular wildcard 32, bench boost 33 strategy जिसके बारे में है. Free hit 33 जो लोग कर रहे हैं, तो वो हम नेक्स्ट वीक में डिस्कस करेंगे, बिकॉज दिस इज गेम वीक 32 का
Yeah.
पहले पॉड. सो उसके बारे में बात करने का पॉइंट नहीं है. बट जैसे भाटिया साहब ने बोला, देयर इज एन ऑल्टरनेट स्ट्रेटजी कि आप वाइल्ड कार्ड 32 कर सकते हो एंड फ्री हिट 33. सो यू डोंट नीड टू बेंच बूस्ट इन 33.
Rakshit,
दिस वाइल्ड
sorry.
कार्ड विल नॉट रिफ्लेक्ट दैट.
No, but जो ये bench boost 33 दिख रहा है ना आपको, इसमें maybe you put in Tavernier in place of, let's say, Struijk, and that is how your free hit is gonna look, most likely. You'll have triple City, you'll have double Chelsea probably. तो बहुत वैसा difference भी नहीं होगा. Even if you want to compare, तो free hit में out of these 11, 7 or 8 तो होंगे ही similar sort of, because player पूरी वही है. Yeah.
Manan, I think you can start with this wildcard 32.
Yeah.
So you have Joao Pedro. Oh, मैं वहीं पे रुक जाता हूँ, I think.
I know. Again, so the people who are wildcarding 32 need to decide if they want to go all in for double or if they want to go for single game week fixture. जो रक्षित आपने आपने मेरे को बोला था, आपने पहले भी बोला अभी स्पॉट में कि कितने डबलर्स आपको चाहिए, एंड इफ नॉट, अगर आपको डबलर्स की अपील नहीं लग रही है, यू कैन आल्सो गो विद सिंगल प्लेयर्स, राइट. मैंने ऑब्वियसली आई स्टिल हैव ब्रूनो एंड उसके अलावा 14 डबलर्स है, बट I don't like the doublers जो इसमें है, obviously the likes of Pascal Gross, Struijk, Hill, Senesi जो दोनों हैं, right. I don't like Darlow. A lot of these players I don't like. But if you are someone जिसको maximum doublers चाहिए, right, इसमें आप ब्रूनो भी हटा के 15 doublers भी कर सकते हो. As you can see 32 वाइल्ड कार्ड में आपकी ये टीम है, जो राइट साइड वाली पिक्चर है, ये आपकी बेंच बूस्ट बेसिकली दिखेगी कैसी, right. So a lot of players, अगर हम players wise बात करें, right, triple city, I think that is everyone is gonna go for triple city. I think a lot of people will go for a double Chelsea अगर उनको doubles prioritize करने, hence you have Joao Pedro and Palmer. There's Brighton who have Burnley in 32 and a decent double against Chelsea, Tottenham in 33. You can go for a couple of Burnley. I have triple Burnley in this draft. Then there's the Rakshit's favorite player, Calvert-Lewin, जिनका Bournemouth and Wolves है in 30. You don't need to say anything in 33. So hence again picks बहुत अच्छे नहीं है.
Problem with this,
I know
the way
I don't like
fixtures
it.
have landed.
Yeah.
The way fixtures have landed. This is very important to say. The way fixtures have landed. The problem with this strategy is wildcard 32, bench boost 33. कि the teams who are doubling in 33, except City, they are shit in 32. Look at
I
the
agree.
fixtures, man.
I agree.
Chelsea
That's
are
why I
facing
hate.
Man City. You have Wolves are facing United away. Burnley are facing Brighton.
Yeah.
Bournemouth are facing Arsenal away, and
Yeah.
all these teams blank in 34.
Yeah.
So you have 2 fixtures in 33, जिसमें से mostly सबका एक fixture decent है, एक खराब ही है. You have shit match in 32 and a blank in 34.
I agree.
That is why it is an unreliable.
The fact that आपका 32 का स्क्वाड कॉम्प्रोमाइज हो रहा है ना, तभी मुझे ये स्ट्रेटेजी थोड़ी कम पसंद है, बिकॉज आपका 32, इफ यू लुक एट इट, अभी हम हमारी 32 टीम्स की बात करेंगे, आई कैन गारंटी यू ऑल ऑफ आवर 32 टीम्स आर बेटर. सो बेसिकली नॉट ओनली योर what are you expecting from a Chelsea City match, right? You are expecting what you want, a 3-3-3-2 sort of a match. I don't know Chelsea इतने goals मारेगी नहीं मारेगी, to because you're gonna have, अगर आप wild card 32 कर रहे हो and if you want to bench boost, you're gonna have 5 City Chelsea players. आपको जाना ही पड़ेगा because player pool ही वही है, right? So because अगर आप just to ऑप्टिमाइज योर बेंच बूस्ट, आपको बेंच बूस्ट अपना में डबलर्स चाहिए, उसकी वजह से यू आर रूइनिंग योर 32 टीम, इज व्हाट आई फील इन दिस स्ट्रेटजी. एंड बहुत ज्यादा कॉम्प्रोमाइज हो रही है 32, बिकॉज लाइक दिस टीम लाइक फुलम, जिनका लिवरपूल के अगेंस्ट मैच है, विच आई फील अच्छा मैच है बिकॉज इट्स बिटवीन बोथ चैंपियंस लीग टाइज, राइट? देयर्स यूनाइटेड ऑब्वियसली. अगर आप ब्रूनो भी नहीं ले रहे हो ऑन 32 वाइल्ड कार्ड, देन I don't know, matlab, I think he's the most informed player, right? So things like this, you have to decide if you want to go. Obviously, bench boost सबसे ज़्यादा मतलब अच्छा आपका स्कोर आने के चांसेस 33 में, क्योंकि ज़्यादा डबलर्स होने, ज़्यादा डेफकॉन मिलेंगे दोनों मैचेस में फॉर डिफेंडर्स. बट you need to think about कितने आपको डबलर्स चाहिए. I would rather have a, let's say, Stoic की जगह और Senesi की जगह Munoz in here just to get a Palace in उनका West Ham in 33. I don't mind a single game week, but it's on you to decide. Gabriel रख सकते हो आप, but yeah.
But it's a wild card is the most powerful chip, right? And
Yeah.
just to waste it on a very average bench boost in 33
Yeah.
it doesn't seem like a decent strategy to me. मतलब आप कर सकते हो obviously, if you nail a bench boost it's well and good, but wild card आपको longer term nail करना जरूरी है. So जैसे आपने बोला भाटिया साहब कि if you let's say free hit in 33 and still wild card in 32, so आप what are the sort of changes you will make in this team? तब तो काफी changes हो जाएंगे in your wild card.
You will not pick any doublers that you have picked in game week 32, other than probably City, because
Brighton.
आप वैसे Brighton एक आध ले सकते हो. You will not have triple Brighton for sure, maybe one or two. Before I come to that ना, इस जो strategy का 2 point मुझे नहीं पसंद है. Firstly, bench boost 33 में all your players are playing against each other, attackers against defenders.
वो होना ही है. Yeah.
So and people are targeting that one game week का mega score, bench पे 25 point आ जाए, huge green arrow, that is it. But to do that, you're wildcarding 32 with all substandard players, and इसके बाद भी 34 तो blank है ही. Most of these teams, other than Leeds, they have shit fixtures from 35 as well. So you're literally not gaining anywhere. इसके बाद भी आपके 4 हफ्ते हैं, right? After 34. So it's a really, I don't know why it's hyped up, but it's not a strategy that I agree with. But if it pays off, good luck to you.
The thing is, people predetermine their strategies and उसके बाद they commit to it. And उसके बाद it's important to react to the FA Cup matches. अगर for example यहाँ Arsenal होती, तो पूरी game change होती. You have triple Arsenal then who gonna double. And आप 32 में आराम से 3 Arsenal ला सकते हो.
And there were Newcastle भी सर, रक्षित अगर Arsenal आती तो
Newcastle भी होती.
Gordon, Thiaw, Hall.
That would have been slightly
even
better.
अगर West Ham Everton होती, West Ham Everton. Imagine if they have Arsenal, Newcastle, West Ham Everton, right? Then you have so many players open up and पूरी game change होती.
Yeah.
But it's not landed that way.
Rakshit, I also feel why 32 is gonna be popular because not a lot. जैसे भाटिया साहब ने बोला ना, he doesn't like his team, right? Let's say आपके पास 31 में आपको, because 31 was also a blank, right? People did struggle to put on players and everything, right? Overall, तो 32 ऐसा you can be in a scenario where you don't like your team and you just wild card, which is fine. Then I feel it's fine. अगर आपके पास 32 अच्छी टीम नहीं है and you don't have good players जो 34 में खेल रहे, but for the sake of खेल रहे, you don't have good assets, right? I get then why you want to wildcard in 32, but yeah, I just don't like it because you're compromising a 32 team जो आपकी अच्छी है, just in case if you have it.
Yeah, you're just forcing doublers
Anything else
into
to
a
add?
wildcard team.
Or we'll move to our teams.
I think we
Okay.
can focus on. I think we have talked enough
Acha.
about chip strategy.
So we have this graphic as well because game week 32 है.
No, because Jared
Uh,
Bowen was on it.
Jared Bowen is on it, of course. Manan, do you want to talk about this बहुत ज़्यादा या फिर अपनी teams के ऊपर हम focus करें? या
I think
anything specifically you want to?
Yeah, I think we
look
can
at
spend
Liverpool,
just
Fulham.
a couple of minutes. Yeah.
Liverpool, Fulham जैसे मुझे clean sheet odds और
I don't
goal
like
scoring
the
odds के साथ
I
not
don't
very
like
sure
these
about
odds.
it.
Yeah.
Because it's important to note कि Liverpool का PSG के साथ match है in the middle of these two matches, and I think it is a Wednesday Tuesday turnaround, which
Yeah,
is
it
like not ideal. Unlike Arsenal जिनका at least एक Tuesday Wednesday turnaround है, which is like 8 days. Liverpool have a 6-day turnaround. This is not an ideal match for them. Similarly, अगर आप बात करो with for someone like Palace, I don't know what team he will put out because they have, I think, Fiorentina के साथ Conference League match. Palace are like safe. So I know Newcastle are shit and Glasner rotate नहीं करता है, but we have no idea कि वो क्या team खिलाएगा against Newcastle, right? But उसके अलावा any particular match, Bhatia साहब, your feelings on Arsenal Bournemouth, because that is also in the middle of a Champions League week. It's a
I
tricky
think
match.
clean sheet odds थोड़े high हैं. Bournemouth usually score, good attacking team. और जैसे हम पॉड के पहले बात कर रहे थे, they're the last team you want to play when you have tough matches either side. High intensity team है, and Arsenal are low in confidence and form. Definitely see Bournemouth scoring in that.
But that's the thing, though. Bournemouth have scored 2 goals in their last 4 matches. Obviously, they had a couple of nil-nils and
The XG was very high. They could not finish.
XG. Yeah, but you would expect that against Arsenal as well, right? They are not a team जो easy shots letting करते हैं. Obviously, not lately in the
It's
last.
not a
2 matches.
banker clean sheet, but you will not be surprised if Arsenal
Yeah.
do keep a clean sheet, right? And
Yeah,
the
exactly.
problem is the rest of the league and the rest of the defenses are so pure. You will still end up buying Arsenal players in the hope that clean sheet रख गए तो they're still more likely to keep a
But
clean
they are
sheet.
the
than
only team now जो रख रही है. That's
Yeah, yeah.
also a factor, right? So it's like
others. But they're not in form.
yeah, 100%.
Yeah, yeah.
But is a thoughts on United Leeds, and if someone wants to, let's say, a person like me, जिसको जो has a transfer to spend on in midfield, do you think aside Bruno is it worth? Because Struijk is injured, I think, right? And one
Rodon.
more player, Rodon is also he might also
Rodon
be
is injured, and Anton Stark got injured.
And the
Both
Anton
of them are
Stark, sorry, not Struijk. Yeah. So again, I just want to know if do you see this as a high scoring or any other punt options in Cunha?
Any other season, yeah, United Leeds is always high scoring, but this season Leeds have been actually solid defensively as well. So I'm not sure how high scoring it will be, but they have key players injured. So United can score even 3 in this game. And second midfield pick, अगर आप पूछोगे, I think Bruno के बाद it's definitely Cunha or Casemiro if you're feeling really punty. Last few home games left for him before he signs off from United. He's playing really well. Box threat बहुत अच्छा है उसका, especially from set pieces. Cunha अच्छा है, open play से थोड़ा threat है, but it's more like bangers or from the edge of the box. Volume of chances Cunha को इतने नहीं मिलते, but the quality of player is there. One shot, one goal is highly likely. Other than that, Mbuemo has been very poor last few games, probably because of Ramadan, whatever. But he's not been his himself. That's the reason I've heard he's been fasting. He's not been himself. You never know.
So he's got to bang a brace now post Eid. But yeah, मतलब Cunha I think scored in the reverse leg also. The 1-1 draw I think हुआ था, so he scored a good goal. But Casemiro again, we will keep ignoring him.
Yeah.
He's the 6th or 7th highest scoring midfielder. Gardner की बात करते, James Garner, no one's talking about him. These guys are playing so well. हर मैच में guaranteed defcon है, headers, corners, set pieces, they are insane. Any other fixture you want to talk about, Manan?
Just City, Chelsea. People who have Haaland and Bruno, do you think Haaland is a captaincy option?
Yes.
Yeah.
100%.
His record against Chelsea is really, really good.
Yes.
From what I remember.
He's scored a hat-trick, good hat-trick. Chelsea are missing
three touches,
defenders.
3 goals.
Jordan
3
Saliba.
touches, 3 goals. Yeah, in penalty.
They don't have, मेरे हिसाब से तो they don't have a keeper. बिना keeper के खेलते हैं. Enzo
don't have
Fernandez is
Enzo.
not playing. There are issues at the club. Apparently news आई है कि some players have said कि अपने manager को कि खिलाओ Enzo को.
Yeah.
He overturned the disciplinary ban. Things are not right. Chalobah is a big miss. Of course, Reece James is out injured. There's no leadership on the pitch. Caicedo is out of form.
Like,
It's a
so
viable
Rakshit, you
strategy
don't
to go
have,
Haaland in place of Bruno.
yeah, Rakshit, you don't have any City even for this game, right? Are you tempted to get one? Do you feel like you should have one? What are your feelings with this match?
I wish I had 3
Oh wow,
in this match.
yeah,
That's मतलब अगर आपको let's say wild card करके bench boost करना है, so this is a good reason to do it because आप triple
yeah,
city
you
ला
have,
सकते हो.
you
You
have
can
three
get
City,
Haaland,
yeah,
Semenyo and O'Reilly. They could
yeah.
all get like combined 30 points in this match if you have Haaland captain easily. मतलब
Yeah.
conservative score बोल रहा हूँ मैं. So it could be a very good match for these 3. I wish I had them, but I don't, and I don't know how to do it. Like for example, अगर मैं मनन आपको बोलूँ कि Ekitike to Haaland this week है option for a free, would you do such a transfer?
I have
He's
it.
playing Fulham at home.
I was gonna ask you. Don't
Because
ask me the
that's the
same
transfer.
questions, bro. Yeah. But I'm
that's a
surprised.
transfer I would do.
But why do you think Liverpool Fulham has 2.11 k odds? Like these are mind-boggling. Have they been that good at Anfield?
No. But
What do
Have they been
bookies
that
know
ये
good?
जो
that we
bookies
don't?
odds है ना, bookies odds बहुत slowly adapt करते हैं to
Bro,
big
season
teams not
खत्म हो
doing
रहा
well.
है. Season
I
खत्म हो
know,
रहा है.
but it's still Fulham, right? मतलब Fulham
They are
maybe
they are also
historically
waiting
they
for
have a
more
bad record.
information.
Maybe
Maybe
it's a
historically they have a
head-to-head
bad
record.
record.
Yeah,
You can
head-to-head
take on the
record
bookies
matter
in
करता
every
है.
week, by the way. You can
Yeah.
take them on in some matches, but you will see that they're mostly right. That's
But
the thing.
but the only thing with doing Ekitike to Haaland is Ekitike is somewhat the only player who's doing. I don't want to even shit and okay के बीच में क्या होता है. That is the only Liverpool player Ekitike
Not so
who
sure.
is not so shit. Yeah.
यार मैं अच्छा अब लास्ट चैंपियंस लीग जो मैच था उसमें
हाँ.
मिडिल में ही वाज बेंच्ड
Yeah.
the Premier League game in the middle he was benched. So
Yeah.
are you even sure he will start this match? I'm not sure.
Good. But also Rakshit, let's say if they get a beating in the first leg, right? The only thing they have to play for is Premier League and
That's not how it works. That's not how it works in the Champions League.
That's true. But Premier League
Unless
is also
they are like
important, right?
trashed or something.
They are away
It
first
is
leg,
obviously
right?
it is.
First
Sorry?
leg is at PSG. right?
I think so. I'll have to check.
एक सेकेंड मैं देखता हूँ.
Yeah, I think so. So second leg at Anfield.
First leg is PSG. They
Yeah,
can get
even if
thrashed.
even if they're 3 goals down, they have to turn up at Anfield.
They will turn
It's
up.
not-
No matter what
Yeah.
happens, they will turn up. ऐसा कोई
They'll
give up
turn
नहीं
up at
करेगा.
Anfield, yeah, obviously. But it's just I just feel like Premier League is also important. That's why I don't know. I agree with you, Rakshit.
It's been important all season. They've just not been good enough.
Yep.
No, but we are talking about it in the sense that Ekitike, will he start though in this match?
Yeah. I think he starts
don't
but
know the
gets
answer.
subbed out early.
Yep.
Especially if there's rest, he might get fewer minutes because
It's anyways not a very good match. Fulham it's anyways not a very
Yeah.
good match for Liverpool. Anyways.
True.
And
Let's-
दूसरी तरफ you have a purring Man City, purring, going for the
Yeah.
league against a disjointed Chelsea team, जो मेरे हिसाब से यार even worse at home now, जितना अवे में होते हैं वो लोग.
But
Things are not right. They're just waiting for the season to end. I know they
Rakshit-
also have everything to play for, but it's a good match to take on the bookies, right?
another factor is actually Ekitike plays in 34. Haaland doesn't.
हाँ वही है, वो बहुत important है obviously आपके लिए.
Yeah.
Because then you're removing a player who plays in 34 and getting in a player who blanks in 34. Then you have to see कि आपका टीम क्या है 34 की, आप अफोर्ड कर सकते हो ये सब आपको देखना पड़ेगा. But I'm saying कि upside है.
I agree.
मतलब ideally
Haaland
अगर मैं
है.
इस वीक फ्री हिट करूंगा, अगर मैं फ्री हिट करूं, I would have at least 2 City players in
At
this
least
free hit
3.
set.
3.
2 or 3, probably 3.
Yeah.
So that's the thing. Like
I
I
have a
would
question,
probably
sir.
say City score more goals than Liverpool this week.
100%. I think in our
That's
predictions हमने
not very hard.
तीनों ने City को 3 दिया है. So
Yeah.
and Liverpool, I'm not expecting more than 2.
Yep.
If
What is up?
sorry, go on.
I have a question
Go
for both of you experts. Forest Aston Villa 1.3, 1.3, 27 versus 27. What's happening there?
1-1.
Morgan Rogers hat-trick.
हो
Morgan
सकता है
Rogers
hat-trick.
hat-trick.
आपके टीम में है ना पक्का hat-trick.
I'm benching him, bro.
Yeah, same.
Look at his team is benching Morgan Rogers. Wow.
That should not come as a surprise. The way you said wow tells me you have not been interested in FPL and Morgan Rogers for a while.
I lost
now.
interest in August.
Yeah, Forest are also, by the way, in Europa League. Both these teams are
Yeah.
Europa League.
Yeah.
It's not just Villa. But
Forest has
both
survived.
these teams have a lot to play for. They have a lot to play
Yeah.
for, both the teams anyways.
But Villa have, now again, Rakshit, we are talking about Villa have all the players back now. Tillemans, McGinn, which will be which should be a factor. Rogers did performed well in 31. He had chances when McGinn came on, right? He was getting chances. अगर आप उसका XGI जाके देखोगे काफी है
यार फर्क तो पड़ता ही है. फर्क तो
He
पड़ता
should
ही
have
है
at
because
least he should have at least had a return in 31. I'll just say that. So बहुत फर्क पड़ेगा.
he did have a return, right? He got an assist.
Oh, he got an assist. He should have gotten more
Got an
returns.
assist.
Yeah.
It will make a difference,
Yeah.
of course. So काफी interesting है. I think let's go to our teams now. ठीक है?
Yeah.
वो हो गया काफी. But यहाँ पे थोड़ा ज्यादा context मिलेगा. भाटी साहब, firstly आपका initial trip strategy क्या है? And then your transfer or no transfer this week.
So the only thing I'm sure of right now is free hit 33. That's
This is
for
mine.
sure.
Yeah, this is
Tempted to wildcard 32, probably 60% might wildcard 32. But there is also a scenario where I do a couple of transfers, maybe sell Enzo and sell a defender or something, and wildcard 35, like most people are doing. But I'm not convinced on that path. So more likely is I wildcard 32.
But yes, the only thing I don't like about wildcard 32, free 33, अगर आप जब draft बनाओगे ना free 33 का, you'll realize wildcard 32 में you have 8 similar playing 11. I can guarantee you.
I'll have three similar players, 3 Man City, who will have in my free hit team. Everything else is different.
Acha, you're gonna target the non-bankers. The non-bankers. Okay. Fine.
I would agree with Bhatia Saab.
Yeah, no, I agree.
Mini appeal and 33 double players. I would probably have 5 or 6.
Yeah,
because I do want to bench boost 33 for sure. So that is 100% confirmed. Free hit 33 मैं कर लूँगा. 11 doublers ले आएंगे free hit में. Get those 44 points. Be happy with the 70 game week score.
44 points.
It's an absolutely shocking double. Like कुछ भी नहीं मिलने वाला. But we'll see.
Yeah.
बहुत पंटी है.
अगर आप लोग से मैं opinions लूँ, just on first glance, अगर transfer से navigate करना है till 34, what moves would you guys do? Roll. Thiago and Tarkowski play each other.
That's okay.
Nunez and Palmer play each other. Wilson and Van Dijk play each other.
No, but all the players, Tarkowski can score a header and get defcons. Virgil van Dijk has a defcon and a header potential. Matheus Nunes against Palmer is nothing.
2 million.
2 million.
Who would you bench though, Rakshit, right? Out of the players, अगर हम किसी को लाना भी चाहे, who would you bench? That's the thing. Probably Van Dijk. He's the only, but he's also playing at Anfield, so ऐसा कुछ factor भी नहीं है कि need to bench. I don't know.
Yeah, it's tricky. You can just probably
how many?
I'll tell you the other angle. Ekitike not in form, minutes out. Mbeumo not in form. Palmer rubbish. Van Dijk rubbish. Nunes is okay. No bench.
I mean, that's not.
But yes, if I was.
That's a fair assessment.
If I was, are you free hitting in 33? Most likely yes.
100%.
I would remove Palmer.
Yeah.
I would remove Palmer and get someone, anyone.
Yeah, that's
just go for a good whatever you want to pick. I've not thought about क्या ले सकते हो, but you can probably target a player जो 34 में खेल रहा अच्छा मैच है.
Yeah. You then that probably Palmer to Cunha. Go for Triple United. What is it? They have a good fixture in 34 as well. Brentford at home. ऐसा नहीं है कि they have a bad fixture.
नहीं, but I don't know इस week के क्या fixture आप कर सकते हो. Let's go back एक बार. For example, if you look at this, what midfielder would you get अगर आपको Palmer बेचना हो? Manon?
Nothing. No one. I don't see anyone except Cunha. I'm being very, very, very honest. You can get in Rice, but you have been burned before. You can get in Saka.
Actually, someone like Rice you can get, but not timing feels wrong though.
No, timing. Everything feels wrong with Arsenal players.
He scored a brace against Bournemouth.
हाँ, but that was when he was playing well and Arsenal were
What about
playing well.
Szoboszlai?
He scored against Bournemouth the last 2 games before that also.
Szoboszlai is a good
Szoboszlai.
pick. But
जैसे
again,
सार
not
एक और प्लेयर जो मुझे ओके लगता है is Gordon, because I think Palace might rotate a bit, so he could do okay on pens also. You
the
can get
only
Semenyo,
problem
Bhatia
is
साहब.
the
अच्छा,
only
but आपका बहुत वो हो जाएगा 34
नहीं,
का
he
एक और
can't
player
na.
है.
But the only problem is with getting Gordon is they play Arsenal in 34, which is fine, but yeah,
Not ideal.
not ideal.
Morgan Rogers. Morgan Rogers.
You can take Morgan Rogers off my team. You don't even need to make a run. But what I would suggest out of all the options, I like Cunha 1, Szoboszlai 2, and Rice 3rd.
You can actually get an Everton mid, Bhatia sahab. Any one of, let's say, Garner, Dewsbury Hall, India, if you want, because they have West Ham in 34. They have Brentford. They will get chances. So I think they have 2 good fixtures in 32 and 34. For example, अगर आपको लाना ही है तो.
I'm going to spend some time after a day or two. See the Champions League
results. Palmer is also fine, but yeah.
It's about the strategy. Again, if you're logged in on
34 में he has a blank.
33
में free hit है तो आप वैसे ही उसको रखोगे नहीं रखोगे, it doesn't matter. 35 wild card है most likely.
So I have 5 players missing 34 already. Palmer, Nunes, Chalobah, Enzo, Obi. So that's 5 outfield players missing. So I will have to do 2 or 3 transfers.
You'll have to remove Palmer anyways. 34 के लिए. Funds and everything. So maybe you can remove Obi.
Yeah.
You don't even need to remove Palmer this week. You can do Enzo to someone, by the way. It's fine. Just
you can remove Enzo also.
Palmer and then just play him and
probably bench him over Virgil van Dijk or Tarkowski or something.
Van Dijk is the only one I can think of. I see Fulham scoring.
Yeah.
Can't say the same about Thiago and Brentford.
Let's move on. Bhatia sahab, anything else to add?
Let's move on.
Captain Bruno, right? Bhatia sahab?
Captain Bruno.
Okay.
Here you are, Manon.
I don't know if it's sorted. Sorry.
Benching dilemmas दिख रहे हैं मुझे थोड़े.
Yeah. So first of all, again, I think I'm gonna play O'Reilly. I'm gonna play Gabriel. Tarkowski versus Thiago versus Anderson is one dilemma for that slot.
João Pedro versus Sarr versus Rogers also.
I was second is João. That's the thing though, right? If I could do João Pedro to Haaland, I can do it in 2 moves. I have 2 free transfers. João Pedro to Haaland, because João Pedro is also blanking, so it's not affecting my 34 thing, right? So I can do João Pedro to Haaland, and let's say who other player is, let's say
Sarr to have fixture.
Yeah, Sarr have fixture, but I'll just think about it. Just can do Rogers to a playing player in 34. Like Rogers is any which is match.
Can you do João Pedro and Ekitike to Bowen and Haaland?
Yes, I can.
Yeah. How much money do you have?
I have 5. No, let me just check. So I have 5.2 million. I can do that. Yeah. I can do Ekitike to Haaland easily, directly. But yeah, that's a good suggestion. João Pedro and Haaland. The only thing is I'm using both my free transfers.
João Pedro and Ekitike.
Which is fine. Again, it was a punt. It did not work. Again, like
it was not a punt. Getting in João Pedro and Ekitike are not punts.
Not punt. But what I mean was I got in the informed players. I agree. I got in the informed players, but they didn't perform. Yeah, but would you get in Haaland though, Rakshit, for 2 moves?
The first thing I checked was, do I have the funds? I would not hesitate to do Ekitike to Haaland at all, even though he has a fucking fixture in 34. At all. And same with João Pedro.
Who are Liverpool playing in 34?
Palace, their favorite team.
Yeah. Something to think about. It's just because do I need to use 2 of my free transfers? That's the only thing I'm considering. But actually, if I'm wildcarding 35, I won't need itne transfers as well, like just to navigate.
But you can carry your transfers now. Wildcard ke baad bhi.
No, true. But if I'm using both of my transfers this week, And if I'm gonna free hit 34, I'll have a 34 में just one transfer I have before I wildcard. तो
देखो,
वो वैसे मैं सोच रहा हूँ.
your transfers will come in handy even if you wildcard 35 because you know
Yeah.
what happens in 38 and all. You always
Yeah.
need transfers. So वो तो देखो है ही, like you will get like a Mo Salah or something for the last match, for example.
Probably.
चाहे कितनी बुरी फॉर्म में
Yeah,
हो.
probably.
But हाँ मतलब you have to see कि are you getting gains? Because Haaland अगर आप ला रहे हो, you're getting him 1 week. That's
It's
it.
just 1 week. Yeah.
Just 1 week.
That's what I'm thinking about. That's what I have to think about. Yeah, more.
And when you're wildcarding 35 and you're sure you're wildcarding 35, so you have to
Yeah.
look at getting it 2 games versus Haaland.
Yep.
True. No, but instead of Ekitike,
have-
I'll get, let's say if I get Bowen, I'm getting one fixture from Bowen in 34 as well. So that's fine.
True.
So it's basically 1 versus 1 fixture. But it's about
you're-
it's
You're
about
basically
getting
spending 2
Haaland for,
transfers just to do Pedro to Haaland.
yeah, that's what I'm thinking about. Pedro to Haaland for 2 transfer for just 1 game. Is it worth it?
Might still be worth it.
Yeah, it might be. That's what I'm thinking about.
But
But
genuinely,
if I do,
Bowen over Ekitike, considering what they have to play for and everything, it's still worth it, bro.
yeah,
If you want to go
yeah,
for it,
fair, sir.
he has Wolves and he's on pens. He hit
He
the
has
post
Wolves.
twice, by the way, in the last match.
He has Wolves at home and 34 में they have Everton at home, no?
Everton, yeah. जो भी है, they have to go for it, and he's going to be very important for them.
No, I agree. I like Bowen. He was the third option I was considering beside Pedro and Ekitike when I did make those moves. So I
And
wish
are
I
you
did
on
that.
a free hit 33 strategy then?
100%. That's can't. But if I'm not using my chip in 34, that means I have to use a chip in 33, which is free hit 33. I don't like it. I don't like the team. It's जो 33 में बन रही, but it's just have to that week उस time तो बहुत सारे bench boost activate होंगे. There'll be triple captain. So it's just with a chip, I'm gonna try and stay at my rank in 33, and then 35 to 37, 38, I'm gonna attack. That was my plan. That's why I did not want to use all the transfers. Yeah.
So I have the same dilemma, but what about Rogers versus Sar? Like, do you
Yeah,
have concerns about Sar ka minutes?
I think he'll start. I think he starts, but मुझे ऐसा लगता है गेम भी सूट होगा सार को थोड़ा सा.
But motivation पैलेस का लीग में बचा नहीं है. That's the only thing. जबकि विला का है.
But विला का हाँ यूरोप है. Yeah.
यार सार ने वो एक मैच में किया, उसके अलावा
But
नहीं किया.
Rogers ने भी नहीं किया. But it's the only
You
thing
yourself
that's
mentioned कि it has changed na situation.
that's making me consider is Rogers as I'll probably start Rogers over Sar actually. The more I think about it. It's just about midweek में they have a very
3 days का
Fiorentina match
turnaround
is
है.
not gonna be easy यार. हाँ.
It's a 3-day turnaround. I'm not even sure Sar will start 100%. देखना पड़ेगा.
Also manager का भी motivation नहीं है. So yeah.
He just wants to win the conference league now. League हो गया है.
हाँ लीक हो
कोई वो नहीं
गया.
है.
Oh ठीक है. And what about Tarkovsky versus Theo? And if I sell Ekitike versus Anderson, because then I can play Anderson.
See, if you're gonna start Thiago and bench Sar, then you know what's gonna happen.
Oh yeah. But Theo has been good. Theo also is someone जो
I know he's been good.
is with
Tarkovsky has also been good.
O'Reilly. Yeah, is with O'Reilly, Gabriel, and Theo. They have the same sort of expected goals and big chances in the last 10 games. So,
But again, मतलब Botman का क्या है वो diagnosis?
no idea.
हाँ तो वो देखना पड़ेगा आपको.
Yeah,
Because he did not start the last match.
I know. He came on for me for 0
Yeah,
points.
for 0 points, yes.
That's the thing you don't remember even after international break.
Yeah, you can blame me for my 1-pointers, but yeah. Okay, this is my team. Some injuries to monitor for Timber in India. Timber पे उसने बोला कि he's expecting कि शायद weekend पे आ जाए, and he will be desperate for Timber to play because Ben White was disastrous in the FA Cup.
Oh yes.
Horrible. NDI, I don't know what's the update, but press conference में देखते हैं. The blanks double landed pretty well for me because because मेरे लिए वो West Ham Everton match was important and it stayed in 34. So if you see, I have 14 players currently in 34. Right, I have 14
Insane
players.
planning,
So
Bhatia sir.
I don't
Insane planning.
insane planning, absolutely insane planning.
Quote
Right
of
now,
FPL.
You talk about me, planning everything. This is the guy who planned for his 34 team in game week 1. It has not changed, and he also executed really well.
with
You
West
can
Ham,
go all the way to
double-
35.
double Tottenham defense and all that because मुझे पता था De Zerbi आने वाला है. Who's
I
known
did
for
not notice.
defending, by the way.
I did not notice it. You have Vicario as well. Oh my god, it makes.
Yeah.
Elite,
That's a
absolutely.
problem. That's a problem for 34, which I'll have to address. But the thing is कि it's easier for me to get Haaland for Ekitike because I already have a benching headache in 34. And trust me, मेरे को Ekitike currently मेरी bench पे है 34 में जब मैं अपनी टीम बना रहा था उसके हिसाब से. Because I would rather play Rodgers than Ekitike that week जो मेरी टीम बन रही थी. So अगर मैं Haaland लाता हूँ for example Ekitike की जगह तो Haaland easily bench पे आ सकता है because everyone else is playing.
And how much money do you have?
I have 6 point something तो वो directly आ जाएगा.
Ooh, I'll be tempted, Rakshit. If you have enough players,
I'm gonna do it. It's not about tempting.
you
I'm
should
doing
do
it.
it.
जैसे ही मैंने explore किया, मैंने देखा, मैंने कहा, fuck, I'm doing this. I'm getting Haaland.
yeah, I like the move.
Yeah, I don't know.
love
I
the
don't know,
move.
but it just feels like कि yeah, it's just a very you have to see कि किस situation में क्या match हो रहा है and मतलब it's not gonna be the best easiest match for Liverpool anyways. Even अगर gap नहीं होता, मतलब Champions League नहीं होता, but it becomes even trickier. प्लस अगेन Ekitike का मिनट्स कितने होंगे स्टार्ट करता है उसके बाद मिनट्स कितने होंगे क्या होता है फर्स्ट लेग में लिवरपूल क्या अच्छा खेल रही है अभी नहीं खेल रही वो सब चीजें आपको देखनी पड़ेंगी.
And there's no way he's getting benched in both Champions League matches. Ekitike 100% playing those two matches.
He's
So
gonna start both, of course.
I'm not sure if he even true. I like the move for your team, Rakshit. Ekitike too.
So just get Haaland and just whatever. I'm also on free hit 33 because 34 वाले मेरे सारे प्लेयर हैं. टिम्बर का देखना पड़ेगा. I think he will play, so I'm gonna start him. उसके अलावा अगर I was planning to roll, but I think I might just get in Haaland. I'll feel a lot better.
You have 2 free transfers, right?
I think I have 2, yes.
And if you had to pick between Sarr and Rodgers, the same question.
सोचना पड़ेगा थोड़ा. देखते हैं फर्स्ट लेग कैसा आता है कॉन्फ्रेंस लीग.
Sorry, but just a question from my team. Between Sarr, Joao Pedro, and Rodgers, pick 2.
I'll definitely start Sarr.
And Rodgers? Because I also have O'Reilly. Might as well go for it.
Doesn't matter, right?
Yeah, might as well.
You'll always next week आपके 11 players सब एक दूसरे के साथ खेल रहे हैं.
Rakshit, you know what? I am gonna do Ekitike to Haaland as well. I have 11 players in 31. In 34. Just don't need to spend both of my transfers is what I feel. I like the move.
You can't do Joao Pedro to Haaland?
No, I can't. I need a second transfer for it. But I can bench Joao Pedro. He's a bad
Okay,
player
next
anyway.
question is, considering you are getting Haaland, do you captain Haaland, do you captain Bruno?
I'm gonna captain Bruno just because of those 2 important injuries to Leeds को. And Bruno is playing at home. Again, we can't forget what he has done in the last 6 weeks. Like I think he has had 4 double-digit hauls. So, and I have captain Bruno in every one of those fixtures. So I just feel like I owe it to him. And personally, he has done nothing wrong for me to switch to Haaland, who might or might not do well. I don't know. So I'm pretty
Haaland
sure
has serious brace potential though. Serious brace potential.
Yeah, he has. Obviously, he has. But say
Bruno
that's
is
the thing.
consistent.
But that's the thing. If Haaland scores a brace and Bruno gets, let's say, 2 assists or a goal,
Even 1
he's
assist
matching
is
him.
8 points.
Yeah,
One
he's
assist is
matching
8
him.
points, yes.
Yeah, he's matching him. So that's also a thing you have to consider.
Yeah.
Now you have to think about if is Haaland scoring a hat-trick, which he can. But yeah.
एक तो यार ये भी है कि अवे है चाहे कुछ भी बोल लो आप अवे मैच
Yeah,
है.
Stamford Bridge. Yeah.
हाँ, it's not like कि एतिहाद पे होता अलग बात थी.
Yeah. I don't think owning Haaland might just be enough, Rakshit. I don't think his EO will be more than 100% though.
Yeah. Haaland is something, मतलब in-form Haaland Etihad पे तो is something else. But
And I'd love a Haaland assist to O'Reilly goal. So
of course you would. Yeah.
nice.
Yeah, okay. So that's about it. I'll also most likely go Bruno only. Make sure आप Telegram channel दोस्तों join करना. Not Bowen by the way. Make sure आप Telegram channel join करना. Fantasy Scout. PL Fantasy Scout तो नहीं रहा अब.
Been too long.
Your cover is blown today.
मैंने अपना टेलीग्राम चैनल चेंज कर दिया तो अब वो किसी और ने वो ले लिया उसका URL और वो कुछ और ही चीजें हो रही हैं वहाँ पे अब. Yeah. FPL गपशप टेलीग्राम चैनल दोस्तों, लिंक आपको मिल जाएगा वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में एंड पिन कमेंट एज वेल. जाने से पहले मेक श्योर यू हिट द लाइक बटन,
Also,
comment and subscribe as well.
also mention your chip strategy, what you are doing in the comments, so that
Or
I'll-
Telegram.
yeah, and we'll try Bhatia Saab to glance over all of those things and just to give a sense of like approval sort of. Yeah, wahan pe. So,
Sure.
yeah.
1 Bitcoin is all it takes. Bhatia will solve your queries.
I'll accept half as well.
Only 1 Bitcoin. He will accept half. Batao. He's in a
You'll
generous mood
accept?
today.
No, he said he'll accept 1.5, not half.
I'll accept that too.
Nice.
Okay.
Cheers.
Chalo. Cheers
An
guys.
hour.
Bye.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers.